Hey everybody, it's me Sissy back with a Dollar Tree haul, and I've got a lot of stuff. So
yeah,
and this is my Dot. Look at say hey Dot. You see him? Yes. Dottie's gonna help me with the video today, and Mama's of course is here watching. So let me move some of the stuff out the way, and we'll get started.
Okay, I got two big bags, and a lot of it is everyday stuff and some stuff I needed, maybe a few craft items. But anyway, let's get right to it. It's early Saturday morning. I meant to do this last night, but here in the lovely sunny south, we had an afternoon thunderstorm, knocked a tree down, blew a transformer, so we had no lights, which is not a fun thing when it's 100 degrees outside. But anyway, and we were scared, weren't we, Mommy? We were scared of the dark. But anyway, yeah, it was scary, but we got them back on, didn't we?
Yep.
Yep. Okay, so let's start with my favorite thing. Let me find it. Okay, it's 100 degrees outside and I'm already wishing for fall, so.
Oh, no.
Yeah, I found these really cute harvest towels with the pumpkins and the corn. These are going to be great for fall or Thanksgiving.
Oh, yeah.
And I found one placemat, but that's fine. I think I'll just put maybe a beige or brown tablecloth on my table and put this in the center, and that'll be really cute.
Yeah.
So that was my favorite item because for some reason it made me feel a little cooler.
It'll be beautiful by now.
Yeah, it will by the time fall gets here, which I wish it would hurry up. Okay, the next thing I got was some of these essentials, the corner shelves. I'm still trying to organize my cabinets. I don't know if you can see back here, but don't judge my dirty cabinet, but I have them in here already, trying to make use of the space that I have. But they're really great to have, and they're only $1, so I kind of squish these in everywhere I can find. Anyway, yeah. And okay, let's just dive into this bag. This is in no order because everything's just kind of shoved in here. And this is my reusable bags. I'm trying to not use the plastic bags, but I never can remember to take my bag in Dollar Tree to bag my stuff up. So, and I love Dollar Tree, but they are the world's best at double bagging everything, which is really a waste, y'all. But anyway, let's get back to the stuff. I got some of these Crafter square storage containers. These are great for storing little beads and sequins and all kind of stuff, so I buy those. But and that's Mother with her morning cola. But anyway, I'm always losing the lids, so I usually end up buying them every couple of weeks because I've lost all the lids. But anyway, oh, and here's another fall thing I got. I went ahead and grabbed some orange candles because as it gets closer to fall, these will be scarcer and scarcer. Or is it more scarce? Anyway. And I got two of these. These is 2 for $1. The little football shaped bowls. These are for a DIY. I saw somebody posted on one of the Facebook pages I'm on with a Halloween decoration that was at Michael's or Hobby Lobby, and wanted to know if there was any way to recreate it with Dollar Tree stuff. I think this is going to be perfect, and I'm going to start working on it now because I thought it was so cute. So be looking for that video. That is one I'm definitely going to do. But anyway, got Mommy some toast cheese. I always think it's toasty cheese, but. And my son, I got some Alka-Seltzer. And you know, this is probably not the best buy. It's 4 Alka-Seltzers tablets for $1, but I don't want to buy a whole big box because we don't use them that often. So I just grabbed that. More of the little storage containers. And I bought one of the Reach Crystal Clean Medium toothbrushes with an antibacterial cap. I have an electric toothbrush, but sometimes I don't know. I just kind of like to get in there with a regular toothbrush and get extra clean. So, and my usual Carpet Fresh. Well, this is not the usual. I usually get the one for dog odors, but they didn't have that this week. So I got this Fresh Sensations Inspired by Nature Island Mist. And I mean, you can smell it through the package. It smells really good. So hopefully that'll do the job. And I got a new scent of Fabuloso. This is Refreshing Lemon, and it smells really, really good. I smelled it in the store to make sure before I bought it, because there's several of the scents I just don't like. I don't like the I think it's the purple one. Don't like it. But anyway, this one's good. It smelled really lemony, so I grabbed that. And I got some Palmolive Essential Clean. I usually love to get the, get the Dawn, but the little bottle of Dawn is so small in Dollar Tree that I don't really think it's worth $1. So if I'm in Walmart, I usually buy the great big thing and it lasts forever. But I thought I'd just grab this and try. It says it's limited time, bonus size, berry coconut. And it smelled really good too, so I'm going to give that a try. And I got some more of my 3-pack of socks. It's not really 3 packs. It's only 1 pair in here and then 2 little toe things. I don't know what they're for, but... And I grabbed my son some of these pizza crusts. I saw somebody else haul these and wanted a review of them. I haven't eaten them myself, but my son, who's a very picky eater, he loves these. He prefers these over the ones you can get at Aldi's or the ones at Walmart. And you can't beat it. 2 for $1. It's a great deal, so... And I got some Tide. I love to take the Tide, this Tide, and add it to the LA Awesome just for a little boost. And I think it gets my clothes just as clean as if I bought Tide every week. And I like to just like use the Tide in the summertime if I got something that's really sweaty or dirty, like I've been doing yard work and it's something that I can't bleach. I try to use just this, but most of the time I just pour this in my LA Awesome and use it in all my laundry. And I got Mommy some Baker's Harvest vegetable crackers, the 7-ounce box. She likes these. She thinks they're pretty good. I don't eat these because 22 crackers has 21 carbs, so that's 1 carb in every cracker, so that's a no for me. And plus it had, you know, not just the carbs. When you're doing low carb, you kind of like look at the ingredients. You want to stay away from flour and wow, this has got sugar and everything else in it, so these would be a no for me just based on the fact that it's flour. And then I got Mom a big Diet Cola so she could drink that Diet Cola. And I found 2 of the cute little bath mats. Still, I have no luck finding the new towels, the washcloths with the cute little sayings on them, but I did get a rub-a-dub and a relax, refresh to go in the bathroom. So these are really cute, and I mean they're well worth $1. I think I've had one like this before. Didn't have the saying on it, was just plain. And these you can just toss them in the washer and dryer, and they come out fine. So worth $1. And then I got a whole bunch. I got 5 of these storage cubes. The I think the racks had new larger size, but anyway, they're 11 inches by 10.5 inches. I got a new TV stand in the living room, and I'm gonna put these on the bottom, and I'll stick a picture up at the end of the video so you can see how it turned out. Well, that's bag 1, and I do have another bag, so let's switch out and get the other bag. Ugh. Oh, and here's another favorite thing. I didn't get these. My sister found these for me. The cute little fall pumpkins. Gather with Grateful Hearts. And the pumpkin kisses and harvest wishes. I think this is really cute. And there's all kind of DIYs y'all can do with these. I hope that I can find some more so I can do a DIY. But this one says thankful, grateful, and blessed. So, but I might take these and just do something on the back. And then I can still have the front too. So then I picked up some of the Home Essentials, Home Collection washcloths. You get 2 in the pack, so having a lot of little spills and cleaning, you know, with issues I'm having at home. So. And I got some quart bags, which I've already broken into. These are great. You get... This is 12 quart bags with the slider on it. These are great, so I always buy those at Dollar Tree. And I got some Ant and Roach Killer. This is for my car. We've been having a lot of rain. And no matter where I park my car, I always end up with ants in it. And this, I don't think is the strongest in the world, but it's enough to squirt in my car and get rid of those ants. And it doesn't have such a overpowering odor like it's gagging me, so... And then, y'all, this is a great by 1 pound, 3 ounces or 19 ounces of grape jelly. This is great. I got this for Mommy. And it's what, sugar, grape juice, grape pulp, fruit pectin. So that's a great deal for that. And then I got her some of the MC Trader creamy peanut butter. I don't like to just have a big jar of peanut butter in there and it sits and sits and sits. It kind of freaks me out. I think germs are growing in it. Even if they're not, I still think it. And then I picked up this little puzzle. This might be for a DIY. I'm not sure, but this wood looks pretty good. So we'll try it out and see. Oh, and my sister dear got me some cute little llama stickers. Aren't those cute? Cute llamas. That was great. And I got another set of measuring cups. Now, these are really good. I would get these over the Betty Crocker ones. The red ones, they're really cute, and I would love to have the red ones. But the measurements are printed on it, and when you wash it, they wash right off. And then you going like, is this a teaspoon or a tablespoon or whatever? But these are embossed on it, so this is not coming off. So you'll be able to use this forever, or till it breaks or whatever. And I got some baby wipes. These are great for taking off makeup, wiping up sticky hands or whatever's going on. So those are great. And this is, I looked at them, and this is the one that has the most in it. It's the Sesame Street Hushables. I don't know why it's called a Hushable. I thought that said flushable, but it does not. It says Hushable. So don't try to flush these. 72 shea butter and cream. So cushiony thick wipes. So that one. This is the one that had the most in it. So they have some packs that have 20 in it, which I really don't think is worth it. So, and I got a pair of a 2-pack of the little women's athletic low-cut socks. These are great. These are well worth it. I hate when you wear your socks, and especially white socks. I got this thing about I love white socks. And you wear them and then you wash them and they get that kind of dingy color no matter how much bleach you put in them. So I'll throw them away. And for $1, I'll just buy more. And my dog poopy bags. I love those. And I got some cute wall stickers. I got the alphabet ones. This cute little print on it. And then I got the one about chocolate doesn't ask questions, chocolate understands. So this is really cute. And I got a really simple DIY coming up right after this, I promise. And I'm going to use these stickers, so y'all stay tuned for that. And then I got a little trash can for my bathroom. I love these trash cans. And then I got a splatter screen. I like this one because it just has a thing in the center. Most of them have a handle on the end and it's really hard to store. But this one's great and it'll fit any size pans you might have. And my last thing is this Francesco, I don't know, I can't, Rindali, I don't know, pizza sauce. This pizza sauce is not the lowest carb in the world. You can get some at Walmart that's really low carb, but it's $6 a jar. My budget doesn't stretch that far. And this, though it has 4 carbs for 1/4 of a cup, the ingredients are really clean. It's just tomato puree, salt, extra virgin olive oil, spices, dried garlic, and dried onions. There's no added sugar. There's no chemicals I can't pronounce. So this is really a good thing. And I just use it a little tiny bit when I make my skillet pizzas. So this is a good deal for me. It's well worth $1 as compared to the jar that has just a few fewer carbs than this one at Walmart. It's $6 a jar. So I'm definitely will get this one. But anyway, that's my haul. I'm going to get this all put away and then I'm going to do a DIY and I'll be right back to y'all. And I also want to give a shout out to Jer-Ann Henson. If you don't follow her, just look for her on YouTube. I'll try to put a link to her channel in the description box below. But she gave me a shout out on Friend Week, or she's doing her version of other people's videos. So she did a video of my wall art with the containers of lavender and I can't remember what was on it, lavender and sage or thyme or lilac or something, but anyway, she did her version of that and it turned out really cute. So I just want to thank her for mentioning me and putting a link to my channel. I got several new followers and I'd like to welcome them to my channel. But anyway, y'all stay tuned, have a great week, stay cool, and get out there and buy some stuff at Dollar Tree and make some stuff, and we'll be right back. And remember, if Sissy can do it, you can do it too. Bye-bye.